Ma'am, this is 15 rupees per piece.
15 rupees.
Yeah, ma'am, they're
Okay,
very good.
let's just try it, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Have it.
Oh, this taste is so bad.
It's too hard as well. No, see,
And the price is also so high.
Ma'am,
Usually we get these cakes at rupees 5 or 10.
and look
These
at the
are the fresh.
icing. Look at the icing. It's not even proper.
ma'am,
I
this
know
is very
even cakes
personal.
from the shops like Legacy and Red Cafe, they are so good and they are even priced lower than this. We are really
Ma'am, we are
disappointed.
really sorry. We'll get back to you with the best cakes. Sorry.
Hello? Yeah, Shekhar. So, how's it going there? Baker shop not to mine? Everything's fine? Oh, is it? Okay. So it's getting quite critical, you mean? Fine, I'll just talk to Mr. Kumar and get back to you, okay? Thank you so much for the feedback. Thanks, Shekhar. Bye.
Good morning, Deepankar. Good morning, Manu. So, what was such an urgency that you had to call for such an urgent meeting?
Sorry for such a short notice. Actually, I just received a call from Mr. Shekhar. He's the dealer in Namtumai.
Shillong,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yeah.
vehicle shop in the Namtumai. So he just called. I wanted to know about the current sales which is going on, but he sounded very upset. He was saying the customers are not at all happy with the product. Leave alone a new product of the vanilla cake. They are not even happy with the existing
Why?
products.
Why is that so?
I don't know, he just said the customers are coming in regularly and saying that the product is not keeping up to its quality price.
So, you should know what the customers want, what their perception about our product is, what their taste is. And you're coming to me and telling you don't know what the customers want.
I know it, I'm very sorry, Mr. Kumar. We haven't
This is the last thing I would like to listen from my marketing head. The sales figures are also going down. Last quarter's results were not very enthusiastic. And I believe the problem is with our operations. All the functions are working in silos, so we need to do something. Any suggestions?
Sir, I believe that we should go for quality function deployment. I've seen one of the companies, they have employed this method, and by this they have shown great results. Quality function deployment will mainly help us to transform the user demands into changing our design quality, right? So in QFD, we'll have generally 4 houses, right? So the customer requirement will help us to have our design characteristics, and with changes in our design characteristics, we'll get to know the specific components on which we need to focus. Based on this, we'll have the changes in the production process, which will help us to bring about some changes in the process, which will at the end will help us to have a better quality plan, so that we can have changes in the product and bring about better qualities in it, so that customers will actually like it. In the beginning, I think we'll go with the customer survey, so that we can get insights from customers.
I think they should work for us. Just go ahead with the plan.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Actually, we are from Baker's shop. We are from Baker's shop. Wanted to do a customer service. Just wanted to know your insight. Which is your favorite bakery?
MOT.
Legacy.
CCD for sure.
And
For me it is Red Cafe.
what features usually, what is more important to you for choosing a cake?
Taste, of course.
Price.
Texture.
The look of the cake.
Generous portions.
Have you had cakes at Baker's shop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we have tried it.
It's okay. It's not that great.
We just wanted a ranking from you on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest and 5 is the maximum. So how did you rate Baker's shop versus your personal choices and the price?
Around 3.
Yeah, 3.
For Legacy, I would give it a 4.
3.
What the texture of the cakes?
2.
What about
Or
you?
it's like
To CCD and Bread Cafe?
it's 4.5 for me.
5.
Himani, actually after that day's board meeting, we had a market survey done. So we've got some inputs, very good inputs from the clients and customers, what they actually look for in cakes. And also they have told us their preference among Baker's shop versus the other famous bakeries in Shillong.
Yeah, so whatever you provided me regarding the customer's feedback, you told us various parameters on which we should work at, right? I'll tell you how the QFD works. This is what is our first house of QFD. This is what the customer wants from us, and this is what we're going to provide to our customers, and how are we going to satisfy them. So these are the performance CTQs, critical to quality. So these are the 2 rooms of the house. Now this is what will tell you the relationship, how are we going to manage this with this. If we want generous portion, that is inversely related to the weight. So this is what is the correlation between these. Also, you provided me the data for the competitors. For the competitors, so this is what is the feedback provided by the customers. And
But that's what exactly they say, that 5 is the best and 0 is the worst.
So our company stands good for some parameters. Okay, it's not that bad, but there are some parameters on which we need to focus. Now I'll tell you the next room of our QFD. Okay, so this is what tells us the interrelationship between the performance QFDs. Here it goes. For the thickness is interrelated with the size, but that is negative interrelation. So if we want thickness, we need to compromise with the diameter. So now we'll go to the final room of our QFD, in which we'll decide the target and the limit values. And based on these limit values, I have actually found the relative weight. And this relative weight will enable us to focus on some basic parameters, as in decide some priority level, and based on this priority level we'll focus on that parameter first and then move on forward.
This will basically help us to convert what the customer wants into what action we need to take at our end.
And this is the first level.
Okay.
Followed by, we'll now have the feedbacks from the operation head, followed by the basic
Shop floor level.
So Mr. Shekhar, as I talked to you regarding whatever happened in the meeting, we want that some changes had to be made in the process of how the cakes have been prepared in our company, because we found that various customers are dissatisfied with the product that we are providing to them.
But I really don't understand the need for such an exercise. To improve one of your parameters, I have to change 101 parameters in the back end.
I have a customer survey report with me. And
Customer will
various
tell
dealers.
101 things.
So
You
that's
don't
the-
understand everything.
It's not
Process
about-
is something
See, this
which
is not-
process is something which you can't change
Even
so
I
easily.
can do this,
People,
come on.
what is happening here? Work together, and I don't want any kind of nonsense now.
The parameter that I suggest is color of the cake, and the second most important thing which I consider is the cost per cake. So what do you think should affect all these things?
I'll also get back to you with the shop floor factors which are a level below what I'm talking about, these technical criteria.
That will be the next house of our QFD, right?
Yeah. So that we can club the voice of the customer to the lowest rung of the hierarchy in which we make the cake.
Fine then.
Good morning, Savita.
Good morning.
As we have discussed yesterday, there are some problems with our product in some of the dealers, and it is not gelling in well with the voice of the customer that we are having.
Okay.
So, my discussion with the rest of the teams, we have listed out a list of technical criteria. I want you to give me what are the shop floor factors actually affect this technical criteria, like the baking time. What are the shop floor factors which affect the baking time?
Baking time is like, for baking time, the most important factor that affects is the baker experience.
Thanks a lot.
मेरा अकाउंट में लिख लेना
हाँ
ठीक है
हाँ
ओके चल रहा
थैंक यू
Read क्यों हो रही है?
हेलो मैम
Hello.
Should they try the cakes again? They're looking good actually.
How are you, ma'am?
They're very tasty.
Yummy as
Thank
well.
you, thank you,
I think they are even better than Legacy and Bread Cafe's cakes.
thank
They
you, ma'am.
made some changes, I believe. No?
The changes are visible. The sales report which I received for the last 2 months are tremendous, and this thing has worked definitely very good for us. Great work, people. Great work.
Thank you, sir.